How to turn on dark mode on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can turn on dark mode on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to turn on dark mode on TikTok, first of all open the TikTok application here, and as you can currently see that I am on the lighter theme. So if I want to actually switch to dark mode, I need to tap the three lines option from the top right hand side, and from the bottom I simply need to go to settings and privacy. After I come to settings and privacy, over here you'll find an option known as display. So just tap on display. Now remember that the dark theme is only available on iPhone users only, for iOS users, sorry. So if you're trying to do it on Android, you won't find the display option. So here you'll find the dark option here, and as you do that, you can see now TikTok has been switched to the dark theme. This way you can turn on dark mode on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.